President Museveni, there are people who are saying they want to reclaim their seat as speakers. Reclaiming a seat of a speaker. They want to reclaim a seat of a speaker. What did they live there? What did they live there? What haven't we done? You mean in Teso we don't need a speaker? Oh no, Teso mama niko techo lungongoni. In Bukedea we don't need a speaker. Oh no, Bukedea niko techo lungongoni. Maybe I'm a better asset than them. And I want to tell you, we are still there. By the grace of God. And I am not going to come down on the issues of homosexuality. I will continue condemning them. That business of bum shafting people's children must stop. The issue of fighting me on social media. And then you say Anita resign and go where? Those people who are saying I should resign, did they put me as members of parliament? My voters are here. And my president who supported me is supporting me. And all those who have been fighting me, we have known them. We have known them. And we shall deal with them.